Hey guys, welcome back to the video and take our piss small time. And in today's video, if the sun will leave us alone, we're gonna be doing like a case transfer from PC behind me here, this PC, and then into the case I have right here, which I'll show you guys in a minute. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so I'm on the desk now. This is the case. So in the front of it, we have our on buttons at the top. Oh, we can't really see that. Hang on a minute. We have at the top our power on button here. But yeah, so now if you take the back panel off, with the back panel off. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is just unplug the power cables so that we can ground ourselves and we won't shock the motherboard or anything. So let's just do this. Alright, so we got the GPU out now. Now let's unscrew the motherboard. So there's 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screws, 4, 5, 6, 7 probably. I'm just gonna get unscrew these. a lot of things have happened. Number one, we had to return the case because it wouldn't work. It's the motherboard instead of the case, but put everything back in that case, the old case, but not everything. Some of the stuff is still on my desk. Number two, we made a TikTok account for the channel, which kind of blew up with a lot of views and everything. And number three, we got a new motherboard, which I'll show you guys in a minute. Well, actually right now. So let me just switch to the desk view and I'll show you guys the motherboard. Alright, so this is the motherboard. It's an Intel motherboard for my brother's CPU. It's a MSI B365M Pro-VDH. And I showed this on our TikTok, but I haven't unboxed the other TikToks. So, take it out here. This is it's a micro ATX. Alright, now that I'm grounded, we can take this out of the anti-static baggie. So I got the baggie open, now we try to remove it from it. So let's just try to remove it from there. Just take it out, place it on the box. Alright, now I have everything on the motherboard. I'm just going to install this in the case with the rest of the stuff, and I'll show you guys the final result. Alright, and here's the final product of the computer. After waiting 24 hours for a new motherboard and installing that, long time of work, finally works. I'm pretty happy with it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This probably is going to be a long one, it hasn't been edited yet. But it took a long time for me to get the computer parts and get it set up. So please leave a like, subscribe, share with your friends, and goodbye. Also check out our TikTok, and goodbye.